Here is a small question to begin. People say there is something in money that is called the eighth wonder of the world. It is a kind of interest that grows and grows over time. Do you know its name? Keep it in your mind. We will come back to it very soon. Welcome to Ninja English. Today we learn 5 useful phrases about money and investing. You will hear each phrase many times, slowly and clearly. By the end, these 5 phrases will feel easy and natural. Let us begin. Imagine you save money every month for many years. It is hard at first, but later it gives you a good result. When something good finally comes from your effort, we say it will pay off. To pay off means your work or your money brings a good reward. Good habits with money often pay off. A small saving each week can pay off in a big way one day. But rewards take time. So what do we call that long period of waiting? Investing is not about one day or one week. It is about many years. When we think about a long period of time and not the near future, we say in the long run. In the long run means after a long time has passed. Prices go up and down, but in the long run, patient saving often wins. Small choices today can matter a lot in the long run. Still, some people worry. They want to keep their money very safe. What do we call that careful choice? Some people do not like danger with their money. They choose the careful way. To choose the safe option and avoid any danger is to play it safe. When you play it safe, you protect what you have. Many beginners play it safe at the start, and that is okay. It is wise to play it safe with money you truly need. But safe choices often grow slowly. So what happens when a person does the opposite? Sometimes people choose the brave way instead. They accept some danger, hoping for a bigger reward. To do something that may bring loss, but also great gain, is to take a risk. When you take a risk, the result is not certain. Every investor must decide when to take a risk and when to wait. It is normal to take a risk after you learn and prepare. And when a risk works well, you get something back. What do we call that money you receive? Now, the happy part of investing. When your money grows, the extra money you earn back is called returns. Returns are the profit you get from an investment. Good returns can come after years of patience. Even small returns add up over time. Wise investors think about the returns, but also about the risk. And now, let us practice all 5 phrases together. Now repeat after me, slowly. Saving every month will pay off in the long run. Some people play it safe, but others take a risk. Patient investors often earn good returns. 5 new words, and now they are yours. Quick test. Would you play it safe or take a risk with your first investment? Write your answer in the comments. Subscribe to Ninja English for a new lesson from real life every day. See you next time.